Oh, I thought it would be different. This is our first ghost house, if I'm correct. Although I thought this was our second. Anyway, this is invisible platforming. So you're gonna have to be careful. One wrong move, you could end up in a pit of nothingness. A lot of these platforms don't spawn too far in the lake. Sorry about that noise, if you heard it. I am sorry about it. Anyways, you can do that. And right here, go in this pipe. Because after all, we're plumbers. Star metal, get in the pipe. And start heading around. Ah, I did not see you. Jump to it. Oh, please. Okay. I'm apologizing for the sound. I know it's very annoying, but I don't want to have to redo this. There's a star in one of those for you to kill the Big Boo. If you have Tanuki, so I guess you could also do it without it because you can ground pound. Anyway, see you guys next time.